You guys ready? Okay. So this is the TP-Link AC1750 Wi-Fi Range Extender RE450. RE probably stands for Range Extender, I'm guessing. Compatible with any Wi-Fi router. The 450 probably stands for the fact that it has is said to operate at 450 megabit per second, and or plus 1300 megabytes per second. I don't know what that means. Gigaport, Tether app. I don't know what that means either. Okay, what else we got? We got package contents, quick install user guide, the range extender itself, easy setup, access point mode, intelligent signal indicator light, access control, dual band backup, compatible with any Wi-Fi router. They'll diagram your house. This is places that you could put it to help to cover more range. And there's a little picture of it. So let's see what it looks like. It comes in this nice glossy packaging that you get your fingerprints all over. You've got the little iPhone thing going on there. Looks like it's not an Apple product as far as I know, but it sure looks like it's packaged like one. Here you get your general public license notice, because you need that in 15 different languages. Remember to register, because then they'll have your email address and they can sell it to people. And I'm sorry, I shouldn't be that cynical. I'm sure it's so vitally important that you register this. There's your quick install guide. LED explanation. Power on means the extender is on. Flashing means the extender is starting up, and off means that the extender is off. Thank you for putting this wonderful instruction packet together for us. Here's pictures. Power on, connect the extender, configure, relocate. And there's another method too. So there's method 2. In case you can't do method 1, you can do method 2. So let's look at the frequently asked questions. What should I do if I cannot access the extender's web management page? Well, if you've already connected, you should be able to. But if you can't, type in this http://192.168.0.254, and then you'll get there. Okay. So make sure we put all that stuff back in this nice little package. It is actually very neatly packaged. And here's the meat of the matter here, the extender, which has a little sticky wrap on the front for some particular reason, maybe to protect these little buttons here. Oh, look, you can press a button. And it has these flip-out antennas, make it look like a visitor from another planet. Oh, I just pulled that up. See, on the back, there's a button slider that you can press in order to move it up instead of doing what I did, which is yank it out of its spot. How brutal. Here's all kinds of little detailed information down here, which you won't be able to see if you have it plugged in. And it looks like there's a little ancient type phone jack. Moving forward, a nice little depression there. And let's just make sure. Oh, buried treasure! No buried treasure in the box. So that's it. That's what you get when you buy the... Oh, see what this extra piece of paper here is for? That's so that this can sit nicely on top like that. So we'll put it all back together. So that's what you get, like Richard Sherman says. That's what you get when you buy the TP-Link AC1750 Wi-Fi Extender RE450. RE stands for Range Extender. AC stands for alternating current. 750 stands for, your guess is as good as mine. So yeah, Best Buy, $60. Hop up your Wi-Fi network at your house. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Maybe one day I won't have to go back to work. Thanks.